Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're going to make your PS5 silent with one simple PS5 maintenance secret. Place the PS5 on a clean flat surface where you can easily access the PS5 vents. Make sure the PS5 is fully powered off, not in rest mode. Unplug the PS5 power cable from the back of the PS5. Also unplug any accessories connected to the PS5 such as external drives or controllers. Turn the PS5 slightly so the large vented side panels are facing you. Place one hand on the top corner of the PS5 side panel. Gently slide and lift the PS5 side panel off using the recommended PS5 disassembly motion. Set the PS5 side panel safely aside. Locate the PS5 fan intake area near the center of the PS5 chassis. You will see dust build up inside the PS5 dust trap channels. Use a soft brush to gently loosen the dust around the PS5 vents. Hold a vacuum nozzle a short distance away from the PS5 dust openings to pull the dust outward. Do not press the vacuum directly on the PS5 components. Continue gently brushing the dust from the PS5 fan openings. Rotate the PS5 slightly to reach all sides of the PS5 fan intake area. Inspect the PS5 fan blades. If they are dusty, brush lightly. Avoid touching the PS5 fan blades too firmly to protect the bearings. Once the PS5 dust traps are clean, check the PS5 heat exhaust vents along the edge. Brush and vacuum these PS5 exhaust vents thoroughly. Now look at the lower intake area of the PS5 where additional dust collects. Use the brush to loosen dust gently from this PS5 lower intake region. Carefully vacuum again, keeping distance to avoid static. Now clean the PS5 side panel vents before reinstalling them. Run the brush along the entire PS5 panel vent channel. Wipe the PS5 panel with a microfiber cloth to remove fine dust. Align the PS5 side panel hooks and slide the PS5 panel back into place. Ensure the PS5 side panel clicks securely into position. Reconnect the PS5 power cable to the back of the PS5. Also reconnect any PS5 external accessories you use. Make sure the PS5 is standing or laying with at least 4 inches of clearance, for airflow. Avoid placing the PS5 in a tight TV cabinet or shelf. Plug the PS5 into a wall outlet instead of a power strip if possible. Press the PS5 power button to turn the PS5 back on. Allow the PS5 to boot to the main PS5 home screen. Now open PS5 settings using your PS5 controller. Scroll to PS5 system. Open PS5 power saving. Select set time until PS5 enters rest mode. Choose shorter duration to let the PS5 cool when idle. Now go back to PS5 settings. Open PS5 system again. Select system software. Choose system software update and settings. Make sure the PS5 is running the latest PS5 firmware. Updated PS5 fan curves help keep the PS5 quiet. Return to the PS5 home screen. Press the PS5 power button, but hold it for 3 seconds to open safe mode. Select option 5, Rebuild database for PS5. This reorganizes PS5 data to reduce system load and fan noise. Wait patiently while the PS5 rebuild completes. When the PS5 restarts, return to the PS5 home screen. Place your hand near the PS5 vents. You should notice quieter PS5 airflow. This PS5 cleaning and airflow configuration is the secret to a silent PS5. Many PS5 owners have never cleaned their PS5 dust traps. Doing this regularly keeps the PS5 cool and silent long term. No need for PS5 external cooling fans or noise mods. You just restored your PS5 factory cooling efficiency. Thanks for watching TechVibes, helping you fix your PS5 step by step. Like the video and subscribe if this helped make your PS5 silent again.